Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing what I have inside my airplane comfort kit. If that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. A lot of you have been asking for an updated airplane comfort kit, so here it is. This is what I take out after I place my personal item under the seat in front of me. As far as electronics, my bathroom kit, and snacks, I have those separate in my personal item bag, and I have a video on that, so I will link it down below. But here is the comfort kit. This is what it looks like. This pouch is so cute. It's navy with gold hardware. Nice chunky zipper. And then it has a clear front. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is what it looks like. I love that it opens up wide so you can easily access your items. First item I have in here is my fan. If you're anything like me, I do get hot on the plane, so this is good to have. It's come in handy quite a few times. And it has different speeds, and you can recharge this, and it also has a flashlight on the bottom. You could also place this on the table if you didn't want to hold it. That way you can be hands-free. This has been a game changer for me. I always run hot. And next I have this little tin. I've had this tin for quite a while now. It's being held with a hair tie because it's so old. And in here I just have a matcha. This is the ceremonial grade jade leaf matcha. I have my electrolytes, which is Ultima. And then I have a true lemon packet. I like to put this in my water. I have some stevia, and then I have a few tea packets in here, chai, and then this ginseng focus tea. This is great to have just in case, and it's always come in handy for me while we travel. And then next I have tissues. Of course, I don't go anywhere without tissues. And this is a first aid kit, and I also have some Dramamine in here, Benadryl, eye drops, some Purell hand sanitizer. I have Advil, and then Tylenol, and then just different size Band-Aids just in case. And I also have a moleskin in here. I have gum just in case you need to pop your ears. Salonpas patches, these are good, especially if you're sitting for a long time, maybe your back starts to hurt. You can just put this pain relieving patch on it. This is what it looks like. And it works well for me. I have some Colgate Wisp and some Q-tips and floss, just in case. I don't know where I got this little envelope thing, but if I can find it, I'll link it for you guys. This has been a topic of debate on my channel, whether you can fly with it or not. I have had success flying with this, no issues at all, knock on wood. However, there are some people that have either gotten the scissors confiscated by TSA or the entire thing, which is devastating because this is about $50. It's not the cheapest thing. So if you don't want to risk it, definitely keep this out of your airplane comfort kit. But I love traveling with this, and it always comes in handy. This has a pen, and it does write. It hasn't lost the ink yet. It has a toothpick, which also comes in handy, a magnifying glass, some screwdrivers, and it has tweezers. And then you guys saw the scissors. I always use the scissors. This is my most used item in this Swiss card. And then it has a nail file, which I also use a lot. So there you go. Let me know if you have flown with this and if you've had success or if yours was confiscated. If I fly internationally, maybe I won't bring this, but on domestic flights, I've had success with this, no issues. I do have TSA pre. Okay, and then in this pouch, I have a nail cutter. No issues flying with this as well for me. This is the Mr. Green nail cutter. It has a nail file. And then I have my Tatcha serum stick. My skin is really dry, especially when I'm flying, so I like to just rub this all over my face every once in a while when I need it. I don't like touching my face with my hands when I'm flying, so this is great to have. I have a mirror just in case. This is the Chanel mirror. Hi, Charlie. And then I have a towelette disc, makeup remover wipe just in case, hair tie with a bobby pin, chapstick, of course, I use this all the time. And then I have a little shaver and an eyebrow pencil. So that is everything in this pouch. Most used items in this pouch are my chapstick and definitely the serum stick. And then I have a little bag here. This is from when we went to the UK. I just bring this just in case. And then I have another bag, which is a doggy poop bag. And this is good if you have trash or if you get nauseous. And then let's see what else. In this bag, I have some Ricola, mints, and Halls. And then this bag has a sewing kit and a hair tie. I have all of my wipes in here. So a shout wipe, just in case you get a stain on your shirt. I have some travel hand sanitizing wipes. This is just alcohol. And some deodorant wipes. This is from the brand EO. It smells really good. And then a baby wipe, and this is just sterilized water. I have this little baggie, and in here it has these chopsticks. This has come in handy for me, and it does come with this little baggie, and they're really easy to clean. And then I have some gloves just in case, and then I have hand warmers also just in case. We are traveling during the winter time, and my spouse gets really cold easily. And then I have a mask just in case. I like to wear this on the plane if I hear a lot of people coughing or when I go into the little lavatory. And then last few items, I have a little notebook here and a pen. So that is everything I have in my airplane comfort kit. This might seem a bit excessive to some of you, but I just like having these items just in case. It gives me peace of mind knowing that I have these. And a lot of them have come in handy while I'm on the plane. I have other videos showing my airplane comfort kits, and this is my current iteration. And I love this pouch. This is small but spacious enough to fit everything I need. Let me know in the comments down below what you pack in your airplane comfort kit. And also let me know if you've ever traveled with a Swiss card or a multi-tool, and if you've had success with that. So there you go, you guys. I encourage you guys to build your own airplane comfort kit, customize it to your needs. If you take medication, put that in here, and anything else you think you may need. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!